69 species in genus Deutzia. October 30th, Deutzia, Deutzia, the bridal flower, represents October 30th. Deutzia symbolizes celebration and unity. You bring joy and togetherness to gatherings. Like its festive blooms, your spirit is jubilant. My fascination with Deutzia. Deutzia. The name might sound a bit like a sneeze, but trust me, these shrubs are anything but unpleasant. As an avid gardener, I, have always been drawn to plants that offer a burst of beauty without demanding constant attention. Deutzia fits that bill perfectly. These hardy shrubs belong to the Hydrangeaceae family. With their profusion of delicate blooms, have become a staple in my garden, and I'm eager to share my appreciation for them with you. A diverse genus. Deutzia is a genus of roughly 60 species, primarily native to East and Central Asia. Imagine trekking through the Himalayas, the mountains of Japan, or the forests of the Philippines, and stumbling upon these charming shrubs. While Asia boasts the greatest diversity of Deutzia, some species also call Central America and even parts of Europe home. This wide distribution speaks to their adaptability and resilience. See full list at monsteraholic.com. Simple elegance in the garden. What I admire most about Deutzia is its understated elegance. The flowers, often appearing in late spring or early summer, are typically small and bell-shaped, clustering together in profusion. Their colors range from pure white to soft pinks and purples, creating a delicate spectacle that complements any garden design. The shrubs themselves are generally deciduous, meaning they lose their leaves in the fall. While some might see this as a drawback, I find beauty in the changing seasons. The bare branches of Deutzia in winter have a stark elegance, and their reawakening in spring, with fresh green foliage followed by a burst of blooms, is a true delight. Low-maintenance beauty. For those who appreciate beauty without the fuss, Deutzia is an ideal choice. These shrubs are remarkably low maintenance. They tolerate a range of soil conditions and are relatively drought-tolerant once established. Pruning is minimal, mainly to remove any dead or crossing branches. Essentially, Deutzia allows you to enjoy the rewards of a beautiful garden without the constant demands of more temperamental plants. A versatile addition to any landscape. Whether your garden is a formal affair or a casual cottage style, there's a place for Deutzia. Its versatility is one of its greatest strengths. Consider these possibilities. Shrub borders. Deutzia's varied sizes and forms make them perfect for mixed shrub borders, adding texture and seasonal interest. Hedges. Some species, like Deutzia gracilis, are well suited for creating informal hedges. Specimen planting. A particularly striking Deutzia cultivar can stand alone as a focal point in the garden. Woodland gardens. Deutzia's preference for partial shade makes them a natural fit for woodland settings. Container gardening. Compact varieties can even thrive in containers, bringing beauty to patios and balconies. A personal connection. My own garden features several Deutzia shrubs, and they never fail to bring me joy. I have a particular fondness for a Deutzia gracilis that arches gracefully over a pathway, its branches laden with white blossoms each spring. It's a sight that always makes me pause and appreciate the simple beauty of nature. In a world that often feels chaotic and demanding, Deutzia offers a sense of tranquility. Their unassuming elegance and resilience serve as a reminder that beauty can be found in the simplest of things. If you're looking to add a touch of charm and effortless beauty to your garden, I wholeheartedly recommend welcoming Deutzia into your landscape. You won't be disappointed.